Hello, my name's Nat Saunders. I'm from the Balloon Room. I'm here today at Amscan because I'm lucky enough to be an ambassador for them. So I'm just going to follow on from the Valentine's Day flat column that I did a while ago, and I want to show you a different variation that we could do for Mother's Day or any kind of spring event that you've got going on. We're sticking with these beautiful Reflex hearts. So this is the Reflex pink heart, and we've got the pastel matte lilac and the pastel matte lemon in here. So this is a variation of the flat column. The reason why it's flat is because it looks flat from there. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of inflation and just the assembly of this lovely flat column. So the hearts on this one, we tweaked the hearts from the Valentine's Day one. The thing with there being lots of lovely inflation equipment on the market is that different sizes come out differently with each different machine. So we found that this would work better on a slightly different setting. So these hearts we are setting at 4.5 on the Precision Twin Air, which is, it works out roughly 12 inches. So when you measure it manually, it'll be roughly 12 inches. So I just want to show you, with these hearts, it's really, really important to stretch them first. So if you just get the lobes, which is I'm calling them lobes, I don't know what they're called, but the top bits of the heart, just give them a good stretch. You can feel it in your hands when it's nice and stretched, and then pull the heart apart like that, and it makes it really nice and supple. So then put it on your machine, make sure the nozzle goes right into the body of the balloon. So that's 4.5, gives you a lovely shape. Let's just tie that off. So we're also using, as I said, we're using pastel matte 5-inch. So we just need to put the 5-inch nozzles on. So we are going to be putting these to a 4-inch balloon, which is a 0.6. So just making duplicates of these. And we're also going to add some pastel matte lemon in, and you'll see why in a moment, but they're two different sizes, so you need to inflate it first, put it down to roughly about that size. When you tie these ones, this needs to be really loose. So normally when you tie any duplicate together, they need to be quite tight. This one needs to be really loose. So once you tie it round, just make sure you have a nice space in between. That's really, really important. Okay, we are also going to use some white 5-inch to put into clusters of 5, and they're sized to 0.5, so roughly the same size as the latex, just a wee bit smaller. So again, this is how we're going to construct this. Because it is a heart and not a round on the edge, we start off with the 5-inch at the bottom. That's the difference with this heart column, and then we do a duplicate of 4 and another one of 4, and then in this one we have the yellow, the lemon 5-inch in there, but you need to be able to pull it out. So I'm going to construct this. So we've got a duplicate on here, and then we've got the duplicate with the lemon colour in. Push that in like that. And then we have one more. So the way that this is going is we have the hearts with a 5-inch in the middle, then we have another quad, and then we have another one, and that's got the lemon in, and then we have another quad. You can see that pattern. I'm going to show you. So we put this one on, push that to the back so it's nice and flat. Then we have the lilac one, and then we have the one with the lemon. Pull that to the front. Then we have then the last one here. Lock that on, push that to the back like that. Okay. And then we're going to add a single one at the top here, and we can just pull that through. Twist it round like that. And then we have, there we go. So we've got a really nice line with all the hearts at the back. Twist them round. And then, as I've mentioned, we've got some clusters of 5. Like that. And all we're going to do is we're going to pull this out and pull it through. Like so. And, whoops. This one again. Pull it out. Push it through. So if you have these already made up, it's so simple to construct. 2 more. Right, here we go. So we have a really nice Mother's Day column with the little flowers on there. Obviously you can change the colours of the flowers, we can add some curly 260s, you can put a lot more detail on, but that just in itself is a really nice Mother's Day column.